In this video, you can see how to print, cut, and apply clear label rolls of hand sanitizer. But before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We will start the process by printing with OKI PRO 1050. Place your clear label roll for printing in OKI PRO 1050. OKI PRO 1050 comes in 5-color toner, cmyk plus white. It can print at a speed of 9 meters per minute. The OKI PRO 1050 brings high quality and vibrant in-house printing. Once it's printed, we will cut it with label maker R14. R14 offers digital die cut and finish of labels without additional investment on dies. With the help of the camera, the R14 uses an integrated optical black mark registration system, allowing it to read black mark for each cutting layout, optimizing cutting speed with no synchronization issues. It is equipped with built-in lamination. The matrix roll facilitates the matrix removal from the die-cut roll. It ensures more precise operation. Its maximum cutting speed is 600 mm per second in all directions. It also has a built-in slitter. Here is your result in no time. Perfectly finished clear label rolls. And the white toner underbase make your image pop. When you finish printing and cutting, your label rolls are now ready for application on bottles. Use hand sanitizer and stay safe. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.